Hi everyone, I'm superstar celebrity Kurtista Kurtberg, Singapore famous YouTube sensation, the WWF champion and the WWF $1 million champion. Today I made this video to pay my tribute to one of the WWF legend, Jim the Anvil Neidhart, because now it's called WWE. And last time when he's wrestling, it's called WWF. And I can say that it's very very sad to actually hear this news, because Jim the Anvil Neidhart, when I was a little kid, I watched the WWF last time, and he teamed up with Bret the Hitman Hart to form the Hart Foundation. And Jim the Anvil Neidhart, he's strong, he's powerful, he's fit, and I can say that I actually like him a lot. Actually, he's quite a good wrestler, man. So it's quite sad to hear such news that he had just passed away, at the age of 63. So I feel very sad about this, and of course the younger generation, some of the younger wrestling fans, they might not know who is Jim the Anvil Neidhart. Okay. It's very very sad, man. It's I can say that he's almost, he's one of my favorite wrestlers, and he's very very sad, former tag team champion, WWE tag team champion. So deepest condolences to his family, and so on. Even though he already passed away, but then he will always be remembered by all the wrestling fans. He will be remembered by the wrestling world. So deepest condolences, rest in peace, R.I.P. Jim the Anvil Neidhart, and I just felt very sad to hear this news. Anyway, deepest condolences to Jim the Anvil Neidhart, his family. So R.I.P. It's a very very sad news.